Spring is finally here, and you know what that means. It's time to reset, renew, and bloom. Just like nature sheds the old and welcomes the new, our bodies crave the same transformation. So what are you going to do about it? Let's go ahead and clean up that good microbiome, baby, because it's time to become your highest self. Yes, you know how we plant seeds in the spring? Yes, plant seeds in that good microbiome so you can bloom into your highest self during the summer. Let's go. Hey everybody, if you're new here, my name is Sanaya and I'm the holistic nutritionist that you have been waiting for all along. Yes, I am the founder of Self Love Foundation, an academy for natural food teachings and holistic healing. And also I help high achievers master gut health without starvation using the garden method. Alright, and if you don't know what the garden method is, check out the video on my page, simply explaining what the garden method is. Before we get into anything, I just want to say thank you to everybody who have grabbed my book. My book has sold so many copies since one of my most viral videos. And if you like this book and if you want to share what this book has done for you, make sure you drop it down in the comments below. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this spring reset for your body and your gut microbiome. If your body has been feeling sluggish, or you just been feeling tired, or you feel like you just can't eat certain things and you just have the ability to not be you at your highest potential, guess what? That means that your body is saying, let's reset. Let's get this gut in order. Just like spring is nature's way of saying out with the old and with the new, your gut microbiome is on that alignment too, baby. And one thing about it, and two things for sure. When you clear your gut, you clear your mind. So therefore you will have more clarity, more prosperity, and more flow into your life during this spring and forever on. So what I always say align with nature. Make sure you align with nature because that is how your body is going to thrive. Your gut is asking you to plant those seeds, to make sure that the gut is clean so you can be in alignment with nature. It's the pollen messing you up. If the pollen is messing you up right now, guess what that gut is? Dirty. Okay? Yes, the pollen is here to bloom you. So to bloom you into your highest self. If you're snuffy and itchy and icky, that's because you're not clean. Your gut is not clean. Seriously, like everybody say, "Oh, I have allergies. I have allergies." Once you cleanse your gut, baby, you can sit outside and that pollen is gonna make you feel good. Like you really won't. The pollen won't bother you. And I know the pollen count has been the highest it has ever been, but let me tell you something. Why do you think? Out with the old, in with the new. All right, let's get into these steps. Step number one, remove what does not serve you. And what is that? Processed foods and heavy metals. Processed foods and heavy metals tend to make sure that we are sluggish, tend to make sure that we have brain fog, tend to make sure that we are just not in our optimal health. And guess what? Just like we do that big old spring cleaning in our house, why we don't do a big old spring cleaning in our guts? Tell me that. Why is that? Why does that happen? You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and make sure that this is prominent into our lifestyles. Let's make sure that this is the key to our new living. This is what we need to do every single spring, really every seasonal change, because when the season changes, then our whole alignment changes with nature. Step number two, replenish and replace with high vibrational foods. This is where the garden method comes in. You want to have your herbs, your nuts, your grains, your fruits, your seeds every day. Every day. Why? Because this is in alignment with nature. Things that grow in nature is what needs to be inside of your body. But get the catch. These are foods that actually regenerate the gut microbiome. That's why it's cellular regeneration. Some of my favorite are leafy greens, sprouts, papaya, pineapple, quinoa, things like that, just to make sure that everything that I'm eating is going to talk to my cells and tell my cells, okay, this is what she's looking to do. And for step number three, you want to hydrate and move for maximum flow. Structured water and movement is necessary for a true detox. Why? Because you're sweating out those toxins, you're flushing out those toxins. Those toxins no longer live inside of your body. What you're inputting is actually outputting. That's what's happening. So you have to make sure that you have that movement, and you have that movement for at least 30 minutes a day. You're moving them at a faster pace than you ever moved before. So that is step number three. And if you follow those three steps, I promise you, you will have the best spring cleaning of your gut microbiome that you have ever had, have ever done intentionally. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Keep it light, keep it cute and full of fruit. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will also see y'all in the next video. Bye.